Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1000 and the Weber Summit S-660. Big price difference right off the bat. The Q1000 is around $230, and the Summit is, wow, almost $2,850.
Yeah, that's a massive jump. So what exactly are we getting for all that extra cash?
Well, size is a huge factor. The Q1000 is a compact, portable grill with 189 square inches of cooking space, perfect for tailgating or a small balcony. And it only has one burner putting out 8,500 BTU.
Right, portability is key for some people. But the Summit is a built-in behemoth, right?
Exactly. The Summit S-660 is designed to be the centerpiece of an outdoor kitchen. It's got a massive 769 square inches of cooking surface and 6 burners. And, it also has a rotisserie, smoker box, and lighting control knobs. Pretty fancy.
Okay, so it's loaded with features. What about the grates and build quality?
The Q1000 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are pretty good for the price. The Summit steps it up with 9mm stainless steel rod cooking grates and stainless steel flavorizer bars. Definitely more durable and higher end.
Makes sense. What about ignition?
Both have push-button ignition, so they're both easy to start. But the Summit has a Snapjet individual burner ignition system, which honestly sounds like it just lights each burner separately.
Okay, so the Summit's got more features, but what about user reviews?
That's where things get interesting. The Q1000 has over 4,500 ratings, with an average of 4.7 stars. People love it for its size, ease of use, and even heating. The Summit, on the other hand, only has 10 ratings and a pretty low 2.4 stars.
Yikes, that's not good. What are people saying?
The top review mentions rust issues and having to replace parts, even under warranty. That's a major red flag for such an expensive grill. And I think people are expecting more for that price point.
So to sum it up, the Q1000 is a great value for a small, portable grill, while the Summit is a feature-packed, built-in grill that might have some durability issues. It really depends on what you're looking for and how much you're willing to spend.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.